Lancaster eye speculum is a rigid speculum which allows for adjusting the width of the palpebral fissure. In addition, it has guards to keep the eyelashes away during surgery along with the use of surgical drapes. A possible disadvantage of this speculum is that it can create significant force on the eyelids which may increase the rate of post-operative ptosis or other eyelid malpositions. This is a high-quality stainless steel instruments made from surgical-grade stainless steel and is handcrafted by highly trained instrument makers. Later the instrument is surface-treated to give them the matte finish. It comes with an instruction manual which gives for cleaning, care, and storage of the instruments. All instruments conform with the Surgical Instrument Guidelines by EU and FDA. The instruments are reusable and autoclave safe. I hope you liked the video. Feel free to share your views on this issue in the comment section. Check the description for similar videos and product links.